Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. Hopefully you're seeing this okay. You guys are pushed way back because this is going to be a very big project and I need the space. Anyway, so I have this box of these little gemstones that you guys have seen me unmold quite a few times, and I didn't really know what I wanted to do with them. But I have been wanting to try to make a vase out of resin. So I have this rainbow stuff again. We'll give this another try. And I've got a large cup that I'm going to drape the resin over once it's partially cured and available to drape over. We're going to see how this works. I'm not going to use silicone because honestly I don't have any, and also it never works for me, so why even try? Instead, I'm just going to pour the resin on and then add these things around the edges. We'll see if it works. I have very, very many doubts that it will work, but you know, you can't know until you try. So this is another experimental. Will it work or will it not work? I'm also going to be checking to see like how cured it is. I'm hoping that within about 4 hours after pouring I can come down and drape it over the cup. We'll see. Well, let's just give this a try. I don't think that I'm going to really pick and choose what colors I use. I do think I don't want these hot pink ones in here. But other than that, I think that these colors will work pretty well together, you know. So, that's the plan, Stan. I'm just going to pick all these hot pink ones out so that I don't accidentally put some of these in here. And I'm going to get my resin mixed up and get it poured. I'm going to go with a clear resin for this. I don't know that I'm going to add any glitter to it. Probably not. But, yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes, yeah? Okay. Alright, let me pick all of these out and then we'll get started, I guess. Okay. Let me reach up and turn you off. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alright, friends. I'm gonna be real honest with y'all. I had taken an accidental nap yesterday. Slept right through my alarms to come down here and check on this thing, which is why the part of me like frantically draping it, yeah, you could tell I was mad at myself. Because I let it sit so long, it was kind of a struggle, but we're just gonna see, okay? Now, I do wish that I had worn gloves when I was doing this, but like I said, I was in a rush, a mad dash, you could say, to try and get this draped. Because I was worried that it was too far gone for me to even make it work. But it's nice and solid now. And I did manage to drape it some, obviously. So, we'll see how it turned out. I don't know. I mean, it looks cool. Hey, it sits up. It sits up fine. Okay. Now I have to try and figure out how to get this paper off of it. It's actually a lot easier to remove than I thought. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward through this part, and also so you guys don't have to hear that crinkling sound. Okay? Okay. Alright. It was a little bit of a struggle. I ended up turning off the camera because I needed to pull it closer to me. As I said, you guys are like really far out. So, what do we think? I'm not mad at it. I love that the rainbow effect can be seen on it because of that paper. And bonus Jonas, I can reuse that because it's perfectly fine. I do kind of, well, no, I definitely wish that I hadn't accidentally slept through my alarm. Just because, well, number one, I think it would have draped a lot better if I'd gotten to it sooner. Obviously, that's a total given. But number two, I would have liked to have trimmed off all of this excess resin. But right now, I'm afraid to do that because I'm afraid that it's going to, well, number one, look terrible. But number two, that it's going to shatter the resin in some places. And I don't particularly want to do that. I'm not too mad about the excess resin at the top. I think it still looks really cool, just the way that it is. So, I will be trying this again, so, just so you guys know. Is it a vase? No. But it's pretty nonetheless. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's cute, and I will definitely be trying it again. yeah, so that's today. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel and helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you enjoy this kind of stuff, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.